Welcome to the instructional video for the Brinkmann portable gas grill. Open the bowl legs and attach the handle assemblies to the bowl using 8 M4 by 10 mm bolts and 8 M6 washers. Use 2 M4 by 6 mm bolts with 2 M4 nuts and 2 M6 washers to attach the latch. Insert the regulator assembly through the hole in the bowl body. Secure using the 2 M5 by 10 mm bolts and 2 M5 nuts with 2 M6 washers. Use 2 M6 12 mm bolts, 2 M6 washers, and 2 M6 nuts to attach the bowl hinge. Next, place the heat distribution plate in the bowl. Place the cooking grate above the heat distribution plate. Attach the lid handle to the handle stands. Then attach the lid handle assembly to the lid using 4 M4 by 10 mm bolts and 4 M6 washers. Attach the lid hinge using two M6 by 12 mm bolts, two M6 washers, and two M6 nuts. Remove the lid hinge pin and cotter pin. Place the lid assembly onto the bowl and insert the lid hinge pin and cotter pin. Your Brinkmann portable gas grill is now assembled.